This is gift from my friend, Diwali gift. I am now unboxing it. Dun, dun, dun. ओह ऐसे नहीं खुल रहा ये तो। ओह अच्छा ऐसा होता है। ओह लवली लड्डूस। अच्छा। ओह माय फेवरेट pistachios. Oh, this is my cashews and almonds. Nice packing. Oh, this is masala cashew, and this is color jellies. It is having good packing. Thank you, my friend.